Good morning students, I am your math teacher and today I will explain you chapter 2, Revision of Numbers. Now start with concept of zero. So here you can see that there are, in number 1, there are 5 birds on the tree. Here you can see 5 birds sitting on a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's come on number 2. After some time 2 birds fly away and 3 birds are left on the tree. So after some time 2 birds fly away and 3 birds, 1, 2, 3 are left on the tree. Now number 3, after some time 2 more birds fly away and only 1 bird is left on the tree. After some time 2 more birds fly away and 1 bird is left on the tree. And finally number 4, after some more time the 1 bird also flies away. Now there is no bird on the tree, or we can say that there are 0 birds on the tree. So 1 more bird which is left is also fly away. So here 0 birds is left on the tree. Here 0 bird is left on the tree. So here we can come in our next page 11. So here numbers from 1 to 99. We can write numbers from 1 to 99. Starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. As continue till 99. Now we have come in our next page number 12. So here the question is, complete the following counting backwards. Backward means पीछे. So हमें कहाँ से start करना है? पीछे से. Like 99, 99 से पहले 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Then 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. So as according to our question, we'll do counting till we reach number 1. So starting with 99, ending with 1. Now next page 13. Here another question is forward and backward counting. Forward and backward counting. So let's start with number 1. Forward means आगे. Forward means आगे. So starting with 1, for example 1. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So starting with 1 till we reach 9. Here starting with 1 and ending with 9. So that number is called forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another is backward. Backward means ulta. So starting with 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starting with 9. 9 से पहले 8. 8 से पहले 7. 7 से पहले 6. 6 से पहले 5. 5 से पहले 4. 4 के पहले 3. 3 से पहले 2 and then ending with 1. So here we are some examples, and our question number 1 is, let us count forward. So forward means, as you know, starting with 1 and ending with 9. So it's upward. Upward. Forward means upward. So here we can done our question 37 to 46. 37 to 46 and forward. Forward. So starting with 37. 37 के बाद हमारा नंबर क्या आएगा? 38. 38 के बाद 39. क्योंकि ये नंबर सारे फॉरवर्ड हैं, सो सारे नंबर आगे की तरफ जाएंगे. स्टार्टिंग विथ 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 is already given, then 45 and ending with 46. Okay, now here is some other example. This is done by you. Now we have come in our next question. Let us count backward. So starting with backward means पीछे से. Starting with 91 to 82. So here let's start with number 91. 91 इससे पहले 90, 89, 88, 87 is already given, 86, 85, 84, 83 and last 82. Now this another example is done by you. So now we have to come on our next page, page 14. Starting with question 1, let us write the missing numbers on the number line. Here you can see one number 57 and some numbers are missing. Our other number is 61 and here some numbers are missing. Next number is 65. So here you can put the digit which are come here. So here we can write missing numbers. Let's start with 57. 57, 57, 58. After 58, 59, 59, 60. 61 is already given. After 61, you can write 62, then 63, 64, 65 is already given, then last number is 66. So we have starting with 57 and end with 66. Now come to our next example. Is start with 15. 15 के बाद 16, then 17, 17 के बाद 18, 19 and 20 is already given. After 20, 21, 22, 23 and here 24 is already given to us. So starting with 15 we have ending with 24. Now our next number is 43, 44, 45, 46, 47 is already given, then 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So we will start with 43 and end with 52. Now next is 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and ending with 79. So we start with 70 and end with 79. Now other example is starting with 91. 91, after 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98 and ending with 99. Okay, we can start our number with 91 and ending with 99. So after 14, here you can see number 15. So the question is writing numbers in words. So writing numbers in words. For example, numbers in figure, numbers in words. Here number in figure. Figure में हम कैसे लिखते हैं? 22, 76 and in words 22, 76. 22 को हमने फिगर में कैसे लिखा है? 2 to 22 and we have write in words like TWE and TY 20, TWO 2. Here 76, 76, 76 in figure and in words SEVE and TY 70, SIX 6. So starting with number 1 is write in words. Write in words. Here I am giving you example in words 22. So let's start with our number 1 is 38. So start with 38. So 30, THIRTY, 30 and 8, EIGHT, 8. So here we can write 38 like this in words, not in figure. In figure we have already given and in words we can write. So number second is 45, 45, 45, FORTY, 40, FIVE, 5, 45. Now next C is 57, 57. So what is the spelling of 57? FIFTY, 50, SEVEN 7, 57. Now next is 62, SIXTY, 60, TWO 2, 62. Now number E is 76. So 70, SEVENTY 70, SIX 6, 76. So just like this I am explaining you can do and you can complete all these till we by yourself. Okay, so here we can come in our next page, page 16. Like page 15, we have given numbers in figures and number in words. Like same way on page 16 here some examples are given. Writing numbers in figure, numbers in words, numbers in figure. Here numbers in figure 35 and in figure 35, 35, 98 and in figure 98, 98. So let's start with number 1. Write in figures. Write in figures. So inverse is already given. Then we have write in words 78. So So here we write 78. 7 8 78. Next 50. 50 50. 66. How can we can write 66? Just like this. 6 6 66. Other number 4 is 89. 8 9 89. Number 5 is 42. 4 2 42. 42. Now number 6 is 83. 83 83. Number 7 is 8. 8. Number 8 is 48. 4 8 48. Number 9 is 90. 90 90. Now number 10 29. 29 29. 51. 51 51. Number 12 is 39. 39 39. Number 13 23. 23 23. Now number 14 74. 74 74. Number 15 67. 67 67. Number 16 94. 94 94. Number 17 48. 48 48. And last number is number 18 31. 31 31.